This video explains how to disconnect your smartphone from the AUDI Q3 2015-2018 infotainment system. Disconnecting prevents unauthorized data access, improves battery life, and resolves connectivity issues. This process is crucial for maintaining digital privacy and optimal system performance. Since these models are now considered legacy, manual disconnection is the primary method. First, locate the menu button on your center console. Press it to access the AUDI Multimedia Interface, or MMI. This is your gateway to the system settings where you can manage connected devices. Within the MMI menu, navigate to Settings, then select either Phone or Connected Devices. The exact wording may vary slightly, but look for options related to managing phone connections. Use the MMI touchscreen or rotary controller to navigate. In the Phone or Connected Devices menu, you'll see a list of paired smartphones. Select the smartphone you wish to disconnect, then choose the Disconnect or Forget Device option. The system may prompt for a PIN or confirmation. Confirm your action. The system may prompt you to verify your choice, possibly asking for a PIN or requiring you to turn off the vehicle's ignition. Once confirmed, your smartphone will be disconnected from the AUDI Q3's system. For wired USB connections, simply unplug the cable and reset the system if needed. If you encounter problems disconnecting your smartphone, try turning off the vehicle's ignition and then restarting the MMI system. If issues persist, perform an MMI reset by holding the rotary knob on the center console for 5 to 10 seconds. If the reset doesn't resolve the issue, consult your Audi dealer or refer to the user manual for additional guidance. Disconnecting your smartphone from the AUDI Q3's infotainment system enhances privacy by preventing unintended data syncing and potential unauthorized access. This is especially crucial in cases of vehicle theft or when lending your car to someone else. Additionally, cybersecurity risks in connected cars are on the rise. Hackers can potentially access vehicle systems through paired devices, leading to data breaches and privacy violations. Regularly disconnecting your smartphone can also improve its battery life and prevent system lags in the AUDI Q3. The MMI continues to ping the device even when idle, contributing to battery drain. Make disconnection a routine habit for optimal performance and security.